Hi friends, it is time to head to my favourite park, Animal Kingdom. I have a breakfast reservation at Tusker House for 8:05. It is currently 7 AM, so it's time to leave. And I'm also meeting a YouTube friend today. Her name is Chrissa, and I'm so excited to introduce you to her. And here we are at Animal Kingdom. We are headed to Tusker House for breakfast, and I'm looking forward to it. I love Tusker House. So here I am for breakfast. We have some fresh fruit and yogurt. We've got some bread, Nutella, butter. Can't remember what that was. I'm so bad at this. Some cornbread, zebra bread, and a malted croissant. And of course, we have the jungle juice. And here is the hot food. I asked for it without eggs, and there's a chicken curry. I asked for it without that because I'm not going to eat it. But we have sausage, bacon, waffles, and potatoes. So this footage here is not my footage, it is footage from the lovely Chrissa, one of the amazing YouTubers I've been fortunate to meet. She attended Tusker House for the dinner service. She has her own video for this, which I will link down below. But here's Chrissa to tell you a little bit about her.
Hey everyone, my name is Chrissa, and if you've enjoyed this Tusker House footage, I've got a whole channel dedicated to amazing things that Florida has to offer, from theme parks to natural springs, beaches, and more. I've got you covered to help you plan your most amazing Florida vacation. So come and check me out on my channel, Chrissa Travels Florida, or you can follow me on Instagram at Chrissa Travels, or Facebook at Chrissa Travels Florida, or even check out my vlog at www.chrissatravelsflorida.com. Thanks so much, Sammy. Back to you.
So we are walking through Gorilla Falls with Chrissa and our big massive camera. It is a beast. And her husband Noah. They have a YouTube channel, I'll link it below. We're in the aviary, and if one of these poops on me, I'm not gonna be happy. Last time I was in a place like this, I got pooped on, so nice.
That could be a rock, that could be a hippo.
So
we never know.
That is the hippo. But she's sleeping. Look at this little cutie. Ow. Hello, little meerkat. Ow. There's more. There's more. Stop.
He's a ham.
Oh yeah, it's like, look at me. I'm the cutest thing you're gonna see today. Hey cutie, hey cutie. Oh. Hello. Right here. Hello baby.
Sorry.
How old is the baby? 7 months.
Oh. Hi little baby.
Up there.
There's one here, some over there, and there's one up in the tree. So we're headed into the jungle trek, going to see some tigers. Tigers, yeah, tigers. I'll just jump in the shot like, thank you.
What?
Is he going to go in the water? Oh, he's thinking about it. Go on. Oh.
I was about to say that.
weird.
Oh, is that why he's pacing? He's
What?
trying to get his big old cone.
Favorite toy in the water.
Ah, okay.
It's a little further out there, so she has been debating it multiple times whether
Is that what she's
Oh, yeah.
thinking about?
Yeah.
It's a lost cause. That's the bottom of the fork. She's probably not getting that one back. She lost both of those within a couple of moments of each other. So now she's been down here. If the ball has moved within an area she wants to actually swim out to get it, or if it's a lost cause entirely.
Go on. Oh, I want her to do it.
Her favorite.
I know, I want her to do it.
Oh, Jesus. Wow, that was loud. So the monkeys are saying hello to you. Thank you, monkeys. Thank you, monkeys. It's so pretty here. Hi! Hi, Rafiki! Hi, Timon! Hi! Bird, you're getting none of my food. Okay. So I got the 50th anniversary dome and Chrissa and Noah got the cake. They're so pretty, right? So pretty. I'm excited to see how this tastes. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. There we go. There's a little cross section.
Oh wow. Oh, that's pretty.
That looks good.
It's good.
Is it delish?
It's good.
It's good. It's good. Let's get into the brownie. Oh yeah. I mean,
That's so good.
is it good?
It is delicious.
It's like lemon flavor, right?
Yeah. Yeah, well the icing is just icing.
Okay.
But the cake in the bottom is lemon, which I haven't gotten to yet. But it is. I'm assuming that it's probably going to be as good as the icing.
Yeah, this is like a vanilla mousse with a brownie on the bottom. It is yummy. So, Chris, I got the, what is it, the Mickey ice cream sandwich?
Yes.
Yeah, the 50th Mickey ice cream sandwich. Yes. I mean, it's like,
know.
how are we gonna, yeah, right, let's get some of the ice cream and that'll, mmm. Come on, cookie. Right, you break the cookie, I don't want to break it.
Break the cookie?
Yeah. I don't want to mess it up. You bought it. You're the only one that can mess it up.
I didn't even buy it.
Oh yeah. I was like, yeah, what am I saying?
There you go.
There we go. Thumbs up. That is good. That is good.
Today, you will see some of your favorite Jungle Book friends soar like never before. And, as you all know, what goes up must come down. So, you will see them landing in plain sight, both in the water and in a designated landing zone in the adjacent seating area.
I know.
If they take a tumble, don't worry. That's part of the fun. Now, get ready, because Disney KiteTails will begin in just a few minutes.
heading into the valley of Mora. Is that how you say that? Mora. Mora. Under here. So cool in here. Let's do it. No. Nothing? So I think I completely forgot to do an outro yesterday. It's the next day, but shh, don't tell anyone. I had such a fab day with Chrissa and Noah. I will leave all their details down below. You should definitely check out Chrissa's channel and Noah's channel. It is amazing. It's very different, it's very cinematic, but I highly recommend it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.